In this lesson, we're going to look at how to calculate the equation of a line from a diagram. So, as before, in the previous lessons we were learning about y equals mx plus c. What we have to do is we have to look at our diagram here, pick out the gradient and pick out the intercept, and then write it in the form y equals mx plus c. This is usually a 3-mark question. I need to split it into the 3 different parts. Okay, well the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to look to get the gradient. So if I'm looking at the diagram, I need to try and pick out a wee triangle. Now the triangle must go through points. This is not good enough. Okay, that one goes through a point, but this here is halfway through this box. We don't want something like that. There's a point here, there's another point there. Okay, so I'm going to take a wee triangle like that, and I'm just going to think about rise over run. So 2 boxes divided by 1 box, so the gradient for this is just 2. 1 along, 2 up. So we've got a gradient of 2. And I can see the intercept is here. So the intercept is 1 box up, so that's just 1. So if I had to write my equation, it would be y equals gradient's 2, 2x plus 1. Okay, let's do another one. I will just change the line. Okay, let's put it down here. Let's see that. Okay, so imagine I had to work out the equation of this line. So again, the first thing I'm looking for is I'm looking for a wee triangle going through coordinates. So I can see a coordinate there and one here. So I'll go along like this and up like this. Now this time rise over run, so it's 1 over 2, so the gradient's 1 over 2, which is a half. Here's the intercept now, which is down 1 box, so that's minus 1. So your equation, y equals a half x take away 1. Okay, so you're just, the x and the y stay there all the time, you're just feeding in m values and c values. Right, last one. Okay, this time we don't have the boxes here. We have to work out the gradient from the coordinates. So when you're doing that, you should be doing the change in the y's divided by the change in the x's. So I would write out m equals delta y over delta x, and then do that. So it's basically the y's in the top, so 5 take away 2 on top to get how high your triangle is. You're just trying to get your triangle there. If I draw it in like this, then how high it is 5 take away 2. How long it is your x's subtracted, so 9 take away 0. So 5 take away 2 is 3, 9 take away 0 is 9. So 3 over 9 simplifies to 1 over 3. You can write it with 3 over 9 first and then simplify it to a third. Intercept, that's happening here, 2. I'll just write 2 in there. And then finish off with your equation, so y equals 1/3 x plus 2. Apologise for the writing, I'm writing with a mouse.